Are you searching for best 360 car camera? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best 360 car camera in 2024. Number 1. DDPAI Z4360 Rotation Dash Cam. DDPAI Z40 Dash Cam Car Camera Recorder. Sony AMX335 1944p HD Video GPS Tracking 360 Rotation Wi-Fi DVR 24H Parking Protector. Brand name, DDPAI, warranty, 1 year. Number 2. TiESFONG M10 Max Dash Cam for Car. Special features: G-sensor, motion detection, SD/MMC card, anti-fog, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, automatic white balance, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, Bluetooth, parking monitor, for channel car DVR, front cam, left cam, right cam, rear cam. Currently the most multi-lens recorder that can be done in the recorder industry. Lens configuration: 2K 1440p 31080p. The configuration is 2K 1440p 31080p, which is one of the most highly configured recorders in the industry for 4 lenses, radar sensor, parking monitor. After turning off the engine, the induction of moving objects to start recording, no induction of moving objects on standby, which will save more power, supercapacitor instead of lithium batteries. The recorder does not have a built-in lithium battery, so there is no chance of spontaneous combustion or explosion. Number 3. FONDIM 360 Mini Hidden Car Dash Cam. FONDIM Mini Hidden Car Dash Cam M8S for CHDVR 360 HD 41080p 24H Parking Monitor Video Car Recorder Night Vision GPS Wi-Fi 256G Max for channel car DVR, front cam, left cam, right cam, rear cam. Currently the most multi-lens recorder that can be done in the recorder industry. Lens configuration: all 4 lenses are 1080p HD lenses. The front lens and rear lens are WRD wide dynamic night vision. The left and right lenses each come with 4 infrared night vision lights for very good night vision, radar sensor, parking monitor. After turning off the engine, the induction of moving objects to start recording, no induction of moving objects on standby, which will save more power. Built-in GPS monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, km/h, mph, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Number 4. TiESFONG 360 Dash Cam. Special features: G-sensor, motion detection, SD/MMC card, built-in GPS, radar detector, anti-fog, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, automatic white balance, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, Bluetooth, parking monitor, speed and coordinates recording. Features of our dash cam: unique design, chip, MSTR88 series. For channel car DVR, the resolution of M8S 4-channel can reach 41080p when it recording at the same time, and all 4-channel can be displayed on the main frame at the same time. Multiple angle camera provides more comprehensive security for your car. Superior night vision: even in low night conditions, it capture clear videos and photos in your driving or parking moment. Number 5. FONDIM 360-degree Auto Car Dash Cam 4-channel. FONDIM Car Dash Cam 4-channel A99 FHD 1080p for car DVR 360-degree auto video recorder with night vision Wi-Fi support 256GB. Unique design, equipped with a powerful MSTR88 series chip and advanced Galaxy Core sensors. This device ensures high-performance processing and excellent image quality. For channel record, capable of recording from 4 channels simultaneously, it captures HD footage at 41080p resolution, offering comprehensive coverage and multiple viewpoints during recording. Superior night vision: with 4 infrared night vision lights on each of the left and right lenses, it provides clear and detailed recordings in low light or nighttime conditions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.